All right. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Getting set up here. We're getting set up here. We're going to see what, let me get my tea steeped. We're going to get the tea steeped. We maybe even got a little something going on here, folks. A little something going on. We're trying to keep it soft and shh, baby voices. Baby voices. Baby sleeping. The baby sleeping. Good morning. Good morning. Get yourself some toast, maybe a little butter. Big day today. Big day today. Big day today, folks. Hopefully we're able to get this account funded here. Hopefully crypto keeps going. I'm looking to maybe add to these positions. We got some silver, got some gold, got some ETH. Swore I wasn't going to do it, but I couldn't help myself. Yes. Maybe some butter and toast. Get yourself some butter and toast. We have Bitcoin at the spider lines. I mean, look at that. Look at that, folks. Right on target. Right on target. Right on target for something. Hopefully. Hopefully something. And that's all we're asking for. And we're just looking for something. It looks like we got money flow on the way up. Obviously, the divergent, the momentum clip, beautiful. Absolute beautiful dump right here. And hopefully, we're going to be catching a beautiful, if we get our little measuring stick here, you know, a couple days. What day is it today? Thursday. It's Friday today. It's Friday today. Oh, girl, we got more we got more PPI, CPI information coming in. Terrific. Terrific. What are the PPI numbers? What are the PPI numbers? SoFi, son of a bitch. This shit was red in the fucking pre-market. Now it's going up. What's going on here? Anyways, that's okay. It went down to 24. That's okay as long as it stays in this range. Google. Now, this is, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, look where we are here, you know what I'm saying? Look where we are here. You know, what's the plan? Is the plan to play the range? Or is the plan not to? There's science behind the lines. Or is it magic? Well, I tell you. You tell me. You tell me. Are trend lines, you know what I'm saying? Are trend lines magic? Or are they something real? Hang on, we need to do a little sound check here. Let's do a little sound checks. Do some sound checks here. Testing 1, 2. 1 2 1 2 testing 1 2. Three, 4, 3 4 testing 3 4. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, let's take a look. Netflix on Netflix. Let's see what we do with Netflix. I mean, it's still, you know, at the bottom of this range, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's at the bottom of the range here. Netflix. Let me see when. Let me see here. Okay, let me see. So the Netflix already had their earnings on the 20th. So yeah, so we'll see here. We'll see. You know, listen, the best times to enter are the ugliest times. You know what I'm saying? This is, you know, like catching the best bottoms. It'll grind you a little bit, churn your stomach a little bit, you know? Okay. The 2-hour dual band strength index firing up. That's nice. The 1 hour also firing up. Now we are smacked and dabbed. Not only on the spider lines, but we got a little momentum pinching here. This is a fresh 4-hour candle. Fresh 4-hour. Now, what was important to me is that we are able to at least get over this resistance of the spider line. Currently we have. Now, this is the logarithmic. This is the logarithmic. Still obeying. Let's go to the 4-hour. Both log, non-log, powerful. I'm telling you, the spider lines are just powerful. Powerful. Pow. A pow. From time to time. Pressure and time. Speaking of pressure and time, Ethereum, the devil token. Ethereum is the devil. Tomorrow's a full moon. Yes, the end of the month. Sounds about right. Good eye. Good eye there, buddy. Good eye. Let's take a look. Let's see here. Boy, wish it would say like when the next one is. Well, let's see here. It goes I mean, we can Google it. It looks about right. Looks about right. Looks about right. Now, the larger time frames are obviously going to look like shit because that's what we're in right now, and that's what's been playing out. Let's go to the OGs. What's going on with the OGs? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Right on the dollar. We have major spider line confluence at this price right here, at this 81,000. Major spider line confluence right there. Major. These are the these are the OG original G golly spider lines formed back in 2017, 2018, 2019. Look at that. Boom. Wow. And at this very moment, we're just right there. Insane. Now let's go to the 2.0s on both logarithmic and non-logarithmic. And then we have, you know, the Huygens, non-Huygens, pretty much the same thing. So we have momentum potentially clipping on the 6 hour, clipping in on the 4 hour. We have 3 hours and 45 minutes left in this candle. This is a fresh candle. Previously, you know, and we're right at this level where the RSIs are still oversold, but they're just beep. We went beep. They tightened up. We got tightening, and it's time for expansion. And boy, it sure would be nice. Sure would be nice. It sure would be nice just to you know. Enjoy trading crypto. That would be nice. To calmly, you know, I mean, the move has just been to, you know, low lev short and forget about it. No question. But, you know, as far as day trading this shit, it would be nice to have a smooth ride once in a while. That would be nice. But yeah, boy, how about that confluence? Look at that. Answering the guy's questions before, they're just trend lines. They are just trend lines that we draw at a certain point after, you know, basically a major drop at the highest pivot, and we just set little fulcrum. We just put our little fulcrum and do the eye, use hike and ashes, do the tops of the candle closes, voila. And it's worked for us for years. It's given us amazing targets, amazing resistances, amazing supports. Let's see. Trump nominates Kevin Warsh. Oh, that's our guy. This is our man. Look at this, guys. We have a new, you know. Let's do some research on Kevin Warsh. Treasury yields are steady. Warsh. Who is Kevin Warsh? Let's take a look. Who is Kevin Warsh? Kevin Orsh was born in 1970. He's an American financial expert. Oh, jeez, I wonder what he had to do to get that title. Am I an American financial expert? Former Federal Reserve governor in 2006 to 2011, a prominent economist, currently serving as a lecturer at Stanford. Oh, Jesus, for God, a prominent economist. I wonder if the guy's ever ran a business in his life. I got a prominent economist. I got a lecture right here for you, Mr. Horsch. Mr. Horsch. Now, let's see here. What businesses has Kevin Horsch done in his... Done. What's he done? What's Kevin Horsch? Financial and investment roles. Before his government service, Horsch worked at Morgan Stanley. I like Morgan Stanley. I fuck with them. E-Trade. In the mergers and acquisitions department, of course, they always do, becoming a vice president and executive director. He currently works with the Duquesne family office. Interesting. If you don't know, never mind. I'm not going to speak on that. The Duquesne. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. Government. He served as special assistant to the president of the Convict Policy and executive secretary of the National Council under President George W. Bush Jr. In 2002-2006, Federal Reserve as board governor. He was a key figure during 2008 financial crisis and fucked everybody over and served as the Fed's representative for the G20 summit. He's an advisor to UPS and Coupang. Coupang. Is that the Chinese Groupon? Coupang. 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 What is Coupang? What is that? Xi Jinping. Okay, so he's the fucking Chinese implant. He's the Xi Jinping of Coupang, the Chinese Groupon. Now, let's see Coupang. Who are these guys? Coupang investors often turn... let's see here. Who's Coupang? Coupang. CPNG is considered a good investment by brokers. Is that true? What a stupid title for an article. Who wrote this? Coupang is considered a good investment by brokers. Is that true? Wow, they really nailed the title on that article here. What are they, just an investment firm? A major South Korean e-commerce company. What did I tell you? They're the Chinese Groupon. Coupang. The South Korean e-commerce company, often called Amazon of Korea, founded in 2010 by Byung Kim. It dominates the Korean market with its rocket delivery service. Coupang. I like e-commerce, guys, sometimes. Maybe not. You know why? They understand. Depends on what side of the fence they're on. You know, they understand supply and demand and cost all the way through. You know, down to the plastics and particles. So, okay. So, I like him. I give him a thumbs up. Now let's see what he thinks about you, crypto. I'm trying not to. My views are so down for me saying the F word all the time and talking about the bundles of sticks. So I'm going to try to keep it clean. I've had to delete 3 out of the last 4 streams. Coupang. Okay, let's see here. Now, Kevin Warsh. Okay. Okay, Kevin, let's see what he thinks about the crypto, the scam. Kevin Warsh holds complex views on shitcoins. He has acknowledged Bitcoin as an important gold-like store of value, but generally views it as a speculative asset rather than a currency. Okay. His potential leadership is seen as bearish for crypto due to his preference for monetary discipline, higher real rates, and tighter liquid. Well, he's the man. Okay. Warsh recognized Bitcoin's value's potential. Okay, express skepticism about its utility as a stable unit of account. He supported developing a UCCDC ACDC to maintain global competitiveness. Oh, Wendy O is gonna lose her shit on that one. He's a supporter of CBDCs. He advocates for integrating blockchain technology within a clear, established regulatory framework. Wow, this guy's a fucking pioneer. Mark Warsh. Market impact, despite his nuanced views, his reputation is for hawkish. He's a hawkish policy, which favors high interest rates and tighter, less inflationary, smaller Federal Reserve balance sheets, making him a generally less favorable candidate for crypto, which drives on liquidity. All right, well, he's not a fucking Democrat, so what do you expect? Interesting. Kevin Warsh. Pretty much fits the bill. He's got a nice little tan going on, so he takes vacations. As far as I'm concerned, the government should have nothing to do with crypto and shit. I don't know. Fuck it. How do you get into the Discord? You get Market Cipher. If you have Market Cipher, you can get access to the Discord. Well, to be honest, fuck crypto. It's not our government's job. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not our government's job. Our government's job is to take care of our country. Our country. Maybe Ramaswamy. Our country. Ramaswamy should have been the federal chair. Ramaswamy. Are in our country. I enjoy reading out loud. Yeah, I thought about doing like a book reading channel, but then it would get in trouble. Like, what books am I gonna read and not get? Can you just read books? They'll try to monetize. They'll strike your ass down. In this country. Listen, this is just some summary bullshit. A Google paragraph isn't going to give details. It's not going to let you know about the guy. None of us know what this guy's going to do. If, Coupon knows what he's going to do. Coupon. Let's take a look at these guys. Coupon. Oh, they're happy today. They're happy. Warsh. Got it. Is this on the NYSE? It is. Coupon is on the NYSE. Look at that. Coupon. Jing jong. Fuck, we're about to go in the red here. I opened these up late. You know, these entries, I got them pretty good. I even added to them a little bit, but we're going to find out. Some more tea. Man, I tell you, tea actually gives me energy. Coffee doesn't. Like, I need coffee. Coffee's more of like, let me go make some more tea. I need to stop cursing. Good morning. If you're just joining us, folks, we have some major, interesting country things going on today here with Bitcoin, okay? And our country. Major spider line confluence on the 2008, 2017s, aka the OG original spider line. Okay. We zoom in here. And we went from this one again. If you watched our previous video from yesterday and, you know, the last few weeks, we had our quadruple Siamese twin, Jesus take the wheel pattern, a bearish pattern played out to the T. And I'm telling you, if you're new here, you don't have, there's basically two different Jesus take the wheels. There's the bullish one, which is flat in the middle, or it can have a single well-crafted head in there. It goes beep. But if you have jagged multiple heads, whether it's 2, 3, 4, that's bearish. So that pattern played out. Smack dab to the next spider line. Now, if we go to, oh shit, these are not the OG spider lines, excuse me. These are the 2.0s. And both logarithmic and non-log. Both logarithmic and non-log. Now, if we go to the OGs, okay, look at that. Look at that. To the penny, darn near. Darn near. Absolute beauty. What a beaut. Absolute beaut. What a beaut. So we have that going for us. And at this moment, as we zoom in here, I would like for this to really be support here. That would be nice. Taking a look at the old cipher, market cipher. Obviously, the larger time frames are going to be what they have been. And, well, now let's see here. The 6th hour, we have some curvature here. oscillation coming up. On the 4-hour, we have clipping. We're a half hour into this candle. We have a 4-hour candle. A strong country candle in this country. Okay. Clipping. Now, we've had our RSIs tighten up right here. Look how there's tighten up. This was nothing. A little weak bounce down. Came, poo. A little decent little bounce. Loose. Tightened up. Poo. It's time for hopefully a decent little bounce. Money flow increasing. Wouldn't be surprised if price came up a little bit. You know, this wave comes up and then we come back down. Bam. Smack down to 70K. Before maybe by the time this money flow comes up and, you know. Wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't be surprised if we danced in this zone as well. Wouldn't be surprised if it just went to shit all today too. I wouldn't be surprised if the thing just kept on dumping today. Wouldn't be surprised. Damn. That's an inverse Jesus take the wheel right there. Grab my tea. My tea is ready. Doke. Alrighty. All right. Okay. So far, he's been pulling back on their expenditures, so whatever. This is a trap. Come summertime, this bank's gonna go to shit. Hopefully. Take a look at the amount here. Okie dokie. All right. could step into a doozy. Could be a little doozy here. We need this is gonna be super telling here. What happens here? Is this gonna be you know, a little one or a big one? That's gonna be super telling for the overall environment. Yep. It's just gonna be a patient day. You know, we do have lower low on the VWAP oscillation. Hopefully we can hop, skip, do a little hop, skip. Little hop, skip into something. Something. Well, I just think they're I mean, they pay out the most. Their interest rates are the highest. All my marketing and advertising friends per se that have deals with SoFi. SoFi's been pulling back and exiting and lowering all their budgets for every time, you know, I'm looking at different like bank account shit and what they pay. SoFi always pays the most, and they were hurting a little bit. I think it's inflated. I think SoFi is gonna have some shit hit the fan, hopefully, and not in a big way. I just think it's overvalued. I think it's overvalued. No. All right. Yes, I am aware, bro. I'm aware. I am aware. That's okay. I mean, it's just, I mean, it's what, back into the mid-range, whoop-de-doo. Whoop-a-dee-doo. Whoop-de-doo. Jeez. I mean, look at that. I mean, that when they top, man, they look at that, man. That's a crazy, look at that. That is a text. Man, I'm trading the standard markets. Things play out the way they're supposed to. Like, oh, look at that. Oh, easily done. Easily done. All this, man. Yeah, I just think sometime by the end of the year, this has to come down. We'll see. Yeah, so we'll see. What time is it? Couple hours. We got a couple hours till the market opens. Dare I look? IAU pre-marketed down to 96.28. SLV 92.61. Yo! Oh boy. Yep. It's gonna be hopefully this starts getting bought up again. Or it's just, you know what? When everyone starts talking about it again, I mean, this has already happened. It's already happened. Everyone caught wind, mainstream media, a big bank comes out and gives some insane target, and then it cools off. You know, there's a big dump and it cools off for two weeks, maybe 4 weeks at most, rinses all the plebs out, and then it's back in the saddle. XLE, little pullback so far today here. We'll take a look. Yeah, I mean that. Hey, listen, we're in on ETH right now. Hopefully, it works out. I do not suggest anyone trades Ethereum. It sucks right now. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's probably just me. A little momentum clip in here, a little VWAPage coming up. We just got to wait it out. I don't know. We just got to wait it out. We got the weekend coming up. So that throws another, those other hitching things. Oh, yeah, copper. I mean, it's just, there's nothing new. It's like there's nothing new, It's not like, so here's what, knock on wood. There was no major bearish event. You know what I'm saying? It's just earnings time, profit taking, just the usual. It's just the usual stuff, But every time there's 1 day, 2 day, 2 days of shaving, everyone gets scared. And that's how it's always been, and it'll always be that way. That's how it always been. It's how it's always been, it'll always be. What's up, Crypto Man? Just joining us, we have major multiple spider line confluences at the 81,000. Beautiful. Beautiful, right to the target on the OGs. Now, if we go to the 2.0 spider line, bada bing, we're right on target. Not only on logarithmic, but non-logarithmic. Same places. So, I am long. And we have the 4-hour clipping up here. 45 minutes into the candle. Our VWAP yellow oscillation wave coming up to the 0 line. RSIs tightened up, right? Tighten, loose, tighten. Hopefully it gets loose to the good side. With Bitcoin, at least, on the 4-hour, slight increase on money flow. Still plenty of room. We can still, we could still certainly have like one more move down, sure, before things start maybe going up. I mean, crypto's it's bear time. Let's not let's not. That's not up for debate. But just looking for a little something. We're just looking for a little something. That's all. Man, it's you know, I've never seen so many people act so like, who cares if what another man does with whatever woman that he wants to in his life? Oh, he cheated. Oh, what are you, a bitch? That's stuff that women reading magazines care about. Who's sleeping with who? You tell me you're judging another man for... Come on, dog. Don't talk about my bit boy like that. Not here. All right, looks like I'm liking these. I'm liking these high sevens. I'm liking it in the high sevens. We got the Jesus Christ! What the fuck? Oh, damn! Oh shit! I knew this was a bad idea. I got in this shit late. Got in this shit hella late. Unlike these ones. These ones I got at the right time. I came in this shit fucking late, getting crushed. I knew this was a bad idea. These trades, we did, you know, got in early, got in the move, and then the greed came in. It's gonna be certainly a red day for the options account. I am gonna guess it's gonna be like $1 million in the red. That's my guess. Hopefully it gets popped back up. If not, no big deal. We'll wait it out for a couple weeks and see what's up. I knew yesterday I should have shaven some profits when we fought back. I mean, the day started plus 500. Then we were down 500. And then the day ended plus 200. I was like, eh. Oh, well. At least the Aprils, I should maybe close some of those out. But hindsight's 2020. Options is scary like that. You see big green numbers. And then one little move down, you see big red numbers. Oh, yeah, how is Solano looking? Let's take a look at Solano. I don't even want to look at this. I don't even want to look at that. But let's look at Solano. Solano. What the fuck? Solano on the 4-hour. Pretty much same as Bitcoin. Same thing. Same thing. Well, we had the full moon coming up. Okay, let me see what the full moon. The 1st of February is the full moon. It will best be viewed after dusk on January 31st, February 1st, and February 2nd. It's a snow moon. What is a snow moon? What is a snow moon? Trading charts. Let's fucking see here. It's just a full moon in February. All right. What's going on here, Google? For its traditional name for a full moon in February, named by Native American tribes due to the typical heavy snow falling during that month. Key points on fucking common sense. Auxiliary tool. In the summer, you will not find snow moon as a standard feature. Okay, well, you could have fooled me. You could have fooled me. All right, so okay. All right. Dare do I even look at this? Dare do I even look? Playing these ranges is so gay in crypto. That's shit right now. Play range. Whoop-de-doo. Boy, I tell you, I'm this close to just disappearing from this YouTube. Crypto YouTube. Secretly start another channel, and maybe you'll find me, maybe you won't. I'm just kidding, but I sometimes think about it. It's not even, it's not there. There's good volatility and bad volatility. You know what I'm saying? This has been good volatility. This has been actually pretty nice, relatively speaking, for the past, compared to the last couple weeks. Pretty nice for Ethereum for the last couple weeks, for sure. It's probably like the most smooth day ever. Okay. Yeah, it's we need to fight over this line. Yep. Let's see here. My little cipher. The market cipher bot, so to speak, nailed the short yesterday before it happened. Nailed it. The entry was $88,281.55. I'll draw it out. I can show you better than I can tell you. Let me show you better than I can tell you. Okay. Let's see here. Entry was 88,281. 88. $88,281. The first take profit was 85,247.65. Okay, so take profit was 85,247. 85,247. $85,247. That's close enough. Profit number 2 is 82,184. 82,184. Is that what I said? 82,184. Stop loss was at 91,255. Hang on here. Gee. Okay. Alrighty. So, damn, this thing nailed it, dude. Nailed it. It was off. It said it was off the 4 hour. It said it was based off the 4 hour time frame. Oh my god, nailed it. Nailed it. Absolutely beautiful. And yeah, you know, it's all right. Let's see. Yeah. So screw Ethereum. So starting on the new month, I'll be just running it with some set variables. I don't know. I kind of want to do the copy trade thing with it. But it needs to be. I need to be able to hedge. I need to be able to have multiple Bitcoin positions because one might be, off the 4 hour, one might be off the 5 minute, one might be off the 15 minute. So, damn, that was pretty. So I'm so proud of my little cipher bot. Okay. We are fighting at the spider lawn on the Hyken. Standard candles where, it's in the mix. But the Hyken Ashies, we're right there. We're right there, folks. We're right there. RSI is picking up a little bit. I like that it's curving down. I'm ready for the next push up. I'm ready for the next push up, baby. Pull up. There it is. 5 minute. Could use this momentum. I'm ready for the next knock on the door. It's time for us to knock on the door. I'm ready. What time? We got an hour and a half until market open. Could be some funny business. Could be some funny business. And we're not joking around. And we'll see. Come on, baby. I'm ready for the next knock on the door. Ready for the next knock on the door. How are we looking over here? Okay, good. All right. Well, silver pulled back up, but now gold is coming back down. Okay, is that what's going on here? Those trades are scary. All right. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, we got a tight trigger wave to the downside here. Tight trigger wave to the downside here. Looking for that to not be a big move down. We're looking, for our first inkling of momentum to shift upwards. Looking for our inkling. And, I got greedy on these. I entered these late, not like, these ones. But this is real money. You know, this is me trying to pass a funded account, get an account funded. You know what I'm saying? So it's, you know, I'm gonna do the real money shit first. You know, it's big money right here. Take a look, CoreWeave. 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 Looking like a little potential momentum clip in here on CoreWeave. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, energy coming up. I like it. I like it. I like it. Thanks, Bill. You know it goes to charity, my man. Maybe you don't know. Thanks for the 50, dog. It goes, you know where it goes. Bitfunded is who we're rolling with on the prop funds, dog. They're doing a buy one, get one for us right now. Link in the description. My little bro pulled out 70 grand. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, there's only 2 crypto prop firms that are legitimate in the space, aren't going to F you over. And we know Bitfunded's one of them. Let's get the job done, baby. Get the job done. Links in the description. Hopefully this keeps, hopefully, you know, we'll see here. Looks pretty, and then it gets ugly. We have the full moon. Full moon coming up. Just in time. Hopefully it's a bullish full moon. We could really use one. We could really use one. Now would be the time. We could certainly. Yeah, we could use one of these. We could use one of these bad boys. Yep. Look at that. It's about to be just it's about to be right here. What did this one do? This did 7%. Yeah. That'll do it. That'll do it. How long did that last? A week. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. I'd be happy with that. We can even make it through a day trading this shit. Trading this. Fuck. Nice. Past challenge yesterday. Way to go, buddy. Excellent work. Excellent work. Did you do it in one shot or did you trade it smart? How long did it take you to pass? The parameters are terrific. There's no time limit. You have your daily drawback that you're allowed to lose in one day. And then you have your full amount you're allowed to lose in one day before you get cut off. And that's pretty much it. There's no time limit. They have gold and silver on Bitfunded. They have XAU and XAG. XAG is silver. XAU is gold. Plenty of shit coins here. Plenty of shit coins. I knew I shouldn't have fucking entered up here on this one. Shit. Yeah, I heard that yeah, like the Klein funding or some shit. No, there ain't they ain't none of them rules on Bitfunded. Yeah, I saw that, dude. So my brother was using Klein funding, and like he went all in, nailed a fucking trade, and they're like, "Oh, that doesn't count because you used too much of it." It is so shady. It's such a shady business. Such a shady business. Of course, Breakout is still valid. Me and Breakout are just going our separate ways, all on good terms. Breakout still totally legit. We did good work together, Breakout and us. And we said we'd either make them or we'd break them. You know, they held up, kicked ass. But we're with Bitfunded now. We're with Bitfunded now. And, you know, each one's different. But, you know, right now, better deals on the front side. UI certainly more crypto friendly to us crypto assholes. But, yeah, of course, Breakout's legit. That's not true. It depends on which coin. I'm all in on my shit. I went all in my shit. It worked just fine. But for example, like with XAU and shit, like there's limits to how much you can do on the shit coins, just like any exchange. But I was all in on, I was all in. It did, it let me do it. That was before I was working with them. Boy, I sure hope this stays up. I sure hope this works out. Yep. Really, I should just walk away. I mean, Serenets, come on, baby. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time where it's getting ugly. It's getting ugly. What are these? It's funny, like people that come from like where prop firms came from, like I don't know, like there's all these rules that they ask about, and I have no idea what they are, and it's crazy how they would do that shit. Oh man. My man. Oh yeah. None of them ever want to pay you more than 10 grand. God forbid if you make more than 10 grand. Whew, fuck that. Man, Breakout was the shit. Still is the shit. And so with Bitfunded, I'm like, if Bitfunded is not equally or at least really fucking close to or better than Breakout, then we're gonna break you. We're gonna break you. Hey, stop. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. Okay. Yep. Come on. It is time. It is time. We got a nice, what is this here? What is this here? What is this here? Potential little clipping, little anchor trade around the yellow VWAP oscillation wave coming up here. Let's take a look at the dual band strength. Man, this shit is so flip-floppy, it's insane. It is so choppy. Interesting long. What's interesting to you, my friend? What is interesting to you? Interesting, you say. What does that mean? Are you saying you would short? You know what I'm saying? Would you have shorted here instead of longed here? Because right now it looks like, you know, it's gone in my direction. You know, at least that's all I can say for now. You know, I mean, shit can hit the fan, but as of now, it's gone in my direction. But shit, you know. Yeah, I'm hoping that now the weekend throws a little wrench in things. It does. It does. But previously, get rid of this. Previously, we. Oh, no, let me pull that back up. Let me pull that back up here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You know, previously, it would be a pretty, you know, about a week, a good week. 5 days. Yeah. 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 I am looking for 5 days. You know, call it 86, call it 87, 88, 86, 88. And that's really just that's I'm just looking for this. Might come up here, do a little loop-de-loop, a little zigzag, and a little bounce. And that's going to be the target right there. Boy, I tell you, it looks great 1 second. Horrid the next. Boy, I sure would love the buying to continue today. I mean, it's like, what else? Where else are you going to put your money? Where else are you going to put your money? You know what I'm saying? We have had these before. I'm hoping that it looks more like this and not more like that or like that. For silver and gold. Yeah. MSTR. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. This was a good one. This was a good breakdown. This was a good breakdown. One of the blackjack dealers asked me this past weekend. He's like, you know, they know I'm they call me the crypto guy over there. You're the crypto guy, right? You know. So they always give me the worst situations. He's like, I bought MSTR at top. I bought it at 450. It's down to 150. Should I sell it and do something else with the money? I'm just like, God. And I gave him an answer the next day. A lengthy answer with, you know. Yeah, those MSTR, man. The regular people that got on MS, you know, let's. This shit's never coming back. It's never, ever, never going back. It's never going back, dude. Michael Saylor's got to be, I mean, listen, I'm not hating on him. I'm not hating on another man for getting his money within the janky rules. You know, he's getting bread for himself and his family, no question about it, and he's using the system, is what it is. But for the average plebeian's sake, this is never, ever coming back. It's never going back to these prices again. Never. I know, bro. Listen, dude, it's tough when people ask, dude, all the time. People are like, what about this? They give, I mean, man, I prefer not to answer. A lot of people, I'm just like, you know, to be honest, I don't answer quite those questions anymore. But a lot of people I feel bad for. A bunch of, like, there's been a couple UFC fighters. They don't make shit. And there was one in particular a couple of years ago, I think. He was like, what do you think about so-and-so coin? I was like, oh, man. I was like, oh, that's a bad one. He's like, what? Really? But what about this? And what about that? Just all the shitter talking points that some asshole on YouTube told about that coin. Oh man. It was bad. It was bad. It was bad. It was bad. Yeah. This is bad. The average price, I can't believe their average price is 75,000 per Bitcoin. That is horrible. That's so bad. Right on. Wish I could play piano. My little brother taught himself piano. If, by the way, again, the Siamese twins, Jesus Take the Wheel pattern, beautifully played out. Now, hang on one second. Okay, so number one, if you don't have a pattern book, you should create one. This Siamese twin, Jesus Take the Wheel, played out exactly as it does. A beaut. And what I was gonna say was that if you went to CryptoFace videos, you saw the last video. Oh, I guess. Yeah, man. You know, all this cursing and saying the FAG word and having to delete streams and delete videos. Man, I tell you, your boys' views are down. Our views are down, man. We're down. You know, I make maybe one video a week now. Barely stream, barely trade. I'm barely here. I don't even know you people anymore. Cursing, calling people the bundle of stick word. And we're getting beat down. We're getting beat down right now. But it wasn't in this video. It was in this video. So hopefully some of you people saw it. Whatever. Jeez. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. What time is it? Okay, we got an hour till market open. And another 15 minutes after that till the real market opens. Yeah. Yeah, entered these ones late. Entered these ones late. Sure did. I sure did. But, again, this is real money, and this is trying to pass and get a funded account. So, you know, whatever. Whatever. A major red day for me in the options unless this picks up. This is gonna be a doozy. This is gonna be a doozy. This is gonna be a doozy. I'm gonna be hurting today. I'm gonna be wishing that I took profits yesterday for sure. What's the PPI? What's the PPI? Well, let's take a look at Netflix. Let's take a look. We just entered that. We just entered Netflix. It's still at. We just got in this, bro. We just got in this. What do you mean you're cooked, man? We just got in. To Netflix. Or unless you're talking about. What's going on here? Hello. Okay, here we go. We just got in here. Now, if this breaks down, yeah, you know, then we're cooked. But it's like I said, good long entries. Bottom entries are uncomfortable at first. Very uncomfortable in this country. Very uncomfortable in this country. Yep. It's gonna be a ugly day. But you have to weather the fear. There's no big reason for anything. There's no black swan event that has occurred. It's standard business, standard earnings, profit taking. Price has been going up, and then it goes boom, cracks down, and it goes up again. Hopefully, but boy, I tell you, I understand that it feels like it could be the end every time. Sure does. Sure does. Oh boy, is this the end? Oh shit, is this the end? If for MSTR, it's been over. MSTR, over. Google. For Google. Nah, I guess. Nah, we're all right. Google, we're all right. Yeah. Google. Ooh, Google. Google's just getting started, baby. We might be getting started here. Google. Amazon. Planetar. Sheesh. Oh boy, oh boy. Hopefully we can get we can get a Chinese Chong, but in America. Get an American Chong. Give us just one more. The Chinese like 4 though. Eastern trading patterns, you get 4. Western, you get 3. Yeah. Boo hoo. Oh boy, it's gonna be shitty right here. Yep. Playing this, I'm telling you, you're just better off playing the range. You're better off playing the range. Here starts the crypto shit. Market opens within a year. Start this crypto shit. Start it up, baby. Horrible, great shit, bad. It goes bad. I hate it. I hate it. Oh, imagine this guy breathing on you. He looks like he's sitting next to you on an airplane. Oh, look, yeah, he's some asshole. Some asshole opposing Kevin Warsh. Kevin Warsh. Who gives a fuck? What a horrible headline. Yes, it is. Put that in your pattern book. Yes, it is. You're right. The middle finger, 100% should be in your pattern books. 100%. This guy's a creep for sure. This guy's a creep. Typical political freak. Self-centered. Look how he's soulless in the eyes. Look at that. That dude is doing weird stuff behind the scenes, for sure. Weirdo right there. Here we go. Look. Here we go. Here's the crypto shit. Oh, look. Oh, my God. It's great. It's great. Oh, it was horrible. Now it's great. And it's going to be horrible next coming up here soon. It was horrible. Now it's great. It's going to be horrible very soon here. Yeah, he looks like he's putting death off. Like whatever is keeping him alive is killing his skin cells. That's what this. Hey, stop. Hey. This is what I look like right now. This is what I look like for the past 2 weeks. Definitely boomer. Trading this crypto definitely boomers you for sure, without a doubt. I mean, man, I tell you. Okay, now I have to walk away to my heater. Okay, I'm going to turn the heater off. Watch. This price is going to be way different when I get back. I'm leaving for 10 seconds. I'll be right back. Oh, I'm back. See what I mean? See what I mean? See what I mean? Can't even grab cashews without it doing all kinds. Look at. He is? Oh. Let's see. I mean, you know. All right, here we go. It's time to come right back down. This is what it has been and what it's here we go. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Very superstitious. Every time I go for a WALK with my DOG, it's bearish. It's reverse whatever I'm doing. No matter how good of a position I'm in, if I got to take my DOG for a WALK, it's all going to shit. Same with when I'm playing blackjack. After, you know, a good session or two, you know, if I'm a day or two into a 4-day stint, I'm taking everything as a sign. If a mosquito flies into my room, if there's a bird sign, if I open something, if I open a candy bar wrapper the wrong way, all kinds of shit. I'm tripping. Silver's getting pounded, isn't it? No. Okay, let's see here. Alrighty, folks. Well, should be an interesting day. Oh, man. I am going to have my ass blown wide open when this market opens with these options. Man, I already know, man. It's going to be bad. It's going to be bad. It's going to be bad. Looked in. Yep. I feel like I'm going to be lucky if I'm showing minus $1 million today. I'll be lucky. Oh, that number's so pretty too. My number's so pretty. I've been doing so well. Let me look at my performance here before it goes to shit today. Let's see, yearly performance. I'm at 1,795.09% over the last year. Look at that. Let me show you this. Hang on. I have to cut some of this out. But I can show this. Look at that. Whammy. Wham. Just saying, you know, there ain't a hedge fund or there ain't no hedge fund that comes close to your boy. Not even close. Thank you. You are incredible. You're incredible. You people are incredible. Oh, takes one to know one, buddy. Takes one to know one. Thank you. You know, I was going to do something nice. The other day for you people. I'm going to do it soon. I'm not going to say what it is. But here's what I am going to say. Those of you who comment on my Twitter posts when I show like my gains and losses, those of you, when you guys are nice to me on Twitter, those of you, I'm going to do something. Just let you know. Soon. Soon. So, it's going to be an interesting day. It's going to be an interesting day today. All right, come on, Silver. Get your ass back up there. We got a little formation. You did your little bounce, little thing. It's time. It's time to get back on track. It's time to get back on track. Okay? Okay. Time to get back on track. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Of course I do. Of course I do. Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? It's time for USO to break out, baby. We need a breakout. Ooh, yeah. Breakout, baby. Ford. Nice little, look at that little anchor trigger off Ford. Interesting. I mean, we are at the little top here, but look at that curvature. Look at that curvature. Look at that Ford. Look at that curvature. I like it. I like it. Look at that momentum clipping right there. Look at that. Yep. Interesting. Interesting. Interesting sub-miles. Yeah. If you're just joining us, we'll hit the talking points, okay? Major spider line confluence on Bitcoin with both the new OG lines that we're on right now, the crypto on logarithmic and non-log, but more importantly, to the original 1.0s from 2018, 2019. Bam. To the bam. Right there. Boom. Right here. Let's zoom out here. Now I'm going to do it. You keep your eye. You're going to have to keep your eyes open because I'm going to do it fast. I'm going to do it fast here, right? Boom. 2019. Set the lines. Bam. Right? These are the original 1.0s. Switch it to the 2.0s. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Non-log. Look at that. Look at that. So I think we got a chance. Now, that's not it. We have a full moon coming up. I don't care what you say. That shit is real. And it's coming up, and we have support confluence. We have a snow moon. And hopefully you'll be getting some snow, doing some hookers and blow from these fucking trades, man, from longing this shit. Hopefully. We're not looking to take on the world. We're just looking for what are we looking for here? We're looking for, 5, 6, 7% over a week. 5 days. That's all we're looking for. That's it. That's it. That's all we're looking for. That being said, day's about to get started, and I got to get ready for it. Fuck, silver. Damn it. Oh, man, I'm going to get clobbered today. Oh, man, it's going to be bad today. It's going to be bad. It's going to be bad today. It's going to be scary. I'm scared. I am scared. I'm scared. I am scared. I am scared. I'm just being honest. Oh man, it's gonna be a rough one, guys. It's gonna be a fucking rough one today. Oh man. I'm squirming. You hear me squirming over here? I'm squirming, dude. I'm squirming. I'm squirming over here. I'm already. Man, I should have took profits yesterday. I should have took some profits yesterday. I took some like the day before. I didn't take any yesterday. After started the day up 500,000. Then went down 500,000, ended the day up 200,000, and I was like, you know what? Fuck this thing. I knew it. I was like, man. I was like, it's just probably gonna. Oh God. Palm and saw. Oh. Yep. So, anyways, that being said, I'll hopefully see you guys later. And, yeah. I'm just going to sit here and stare at the wall. And hopefully by next week, things go up again for gold and silver. And we'll see. Alrighty, folks. That's right. We got the full moon to look forward to. Thank you for being here. You're all terrific people. You are all terrific people. And thank you. God bless you. And I got one more thing to say. Yeah. Oh. I farted in the microphone, but it didn't pick it up.